The brutal reality is that most Australians will never manage to save $30,000. And I'm not saying that to be harsh. I say it because the raw data backs it up. Right now, Australia's household savings ratio is sitting at a measly 6.9%. With everyday living costs surging across the nation, most people are burning through nearly every single dollar they earn. While the average Aussie has roughly $42,000 in total savings, that number is a massive lie because a wealthy few pull it up. Millions of everyday people are sitting with absolutely nothing in reserve. So, if you haven't hit $30,000 yet, don't panic. You're normal. But here is the secret. Once you actually cross that $30,000 line, a massive psychological shift happens inside your brain. It completely rewires how you make decisions, changes how you carry yourself, and dramatically accelerates the speed at which your wealth grows. Today, we are going to break down exactly why 30 grand is the ultimate financial turning point in Australia. Before you hit $30,000, you are operating entirely in basic survival mode. Every single dollar has a job before it even lands in your account: rent, fuel, bills, and groceries. You are constantly running exhausting mental math just to get through the week. This financial scarcity severely reduces your cognitive bandwidth. You make short-sighted decisions, not because you lack intelligence, but because your mind is completely overloaded with short-term problems. You simply can't think long-term when you're drowning in immediate bills. When you're stuck with less than 5 grand in the bank, every financial choice feels like a massive crisis. Do I service the car now or risk it for another month? These tiny, anxious choices drain the mental energy you need to build wealth. And this is exactly why crossing the $30,000 threshold becomes an absolute superpower. It's not a magic number because of what it buys. It's magic because of the sheer anxiety it removes. It buys you absolute, unshakable freedom from fear. When you have $30,000 sitting in a high-interest savings account earning 5%, you have a massive fortress between you and disaster. The fridge dies? You handle it. The car breaks down. It's fully covered without a single drop of sweat. If you lose your job, you suddenly have up to 6 months of pristine breathing room to find a better role without panicking. That mental clarity changes everything. You sleep better, perform better at work, and your earning power naturally skyrockets. Your relationships improve because you stop fighting over bills. Your health thrives because you aren't skipping the dentist to save a quick $100. You finally stop obsessing over surviving the present and start actively planning for a massive future. Now, here is where the maths gets incredibly exciting. $30,000 is the exact tipping point where compound interest finally becomes highly visible. Below this number, your returns are so tiny they are basically invisible. If you have just 2 grand in savings earning 5%, you make a boring $100 a year. But $30,000 at that same 5% rate hands you a massive $1,500 a year in pure, effortless interest. Suddenly, your money is generating serious, noticeable cash flow completely on autopilot. Your money is doing the heavy lifting while you put in the exact same amount of work. That is the wealth shift most Australians never get to experience. Saving $30,000 also completely shifts your identity. You prove to yourself that you can delay gratification and build something from nothing. You stop seeing yourself as someone who is bad with money and start identifying as a wealth builder. You stop buying useless junk to impress people you don't even like. You stop leaking cash on impulse buys and forgotten subscriptions. Your spending becomes entirely intentional, and intentional spending is the ultimate divider between the rich and the broke. Practically, $30,000 unlocks serious investing. You're no longer trapped in a savings account. You can pump cash into index funds or ETFs on the ASX, which have delivered stellar double-digit returns over recent years, letting your wealth truly explode. It also grants you massive negotiating power. When you aren't desperate for a paycheck, you can negotiate your salary harder or confidently walk away from a toxic job. You can take calculated risks on career switches or a brand new business. 30 grand completely smashes the vicious earn and spend loop that traps the majority of the population. It creates a massive, growing gap between what you earn and what you spend, and it gives you a visible aura of financial stability. To fast-track your way to $30,000, execute 3 steps. First, audit your bank app and track every single dollar for 30 days. Second, automate your savings on payday so you aggressively pay yourself first before touching a cent. Third, widen the gap by scaling your income. You can only cut expenses so far before life gets miserable, but your earning potential has no ceiling. Chase a promotion, pick up a lucrative side hustle, and invest in high-income skills. The stretch between $0 and $30,000 is the hardest part of the entire wealth journey. It feels slow, but every single deposit is compressing the timeline. Stick with it. If this video woke you up, smash subscribe, and I'll see you next time.